Hi my dear YouTubers, it's Alex Davidson with you today. As usual, questions and answers on immigration to Canada. This time we will touch the base upon not the most pleasant topic. We'll talk about refusals. So more or less often we receive comments or letters from people who were refused, usually refused on a temporary visa to Canada. Much more rarely they were refused an immigrant visa to Canada, and they are coming to us asking for a solution to rectify a situation, to remedy that refusal, to find out what was going on. And typically the letter starts with ABCD. Look, my name is whatever, I was refused because of, and that because of you typically take from that refusal letter. What lots of you do not understand is that the refusal letter is just a boilerplate. So when a visa officer is looking at your case, he or she would determine whether you're eligible to get that visa to Canada or not. If not, he or she would just put those check marks close to more or less reasons which he or she finds applicable to your case. So say that was a refusal because of monetary reasons, that was a refusal because of the weak connections to the home country or stronger connections to Canada, etc., etc., etc. Again, this is the boilerplate. It does not mean that you should use this piece of paper to reapply or, God forbid, to to appeal the visa officer's decision. In order to understand what exactly went wrong, you would have to dig deeper, which means that you have to obtain notes from the visa office where everything on your case would be explained. These notes are typically called GCMs Notes, and what they do, they basically explain you step by step how your visa case has been processed, who, not the first and last name of course, but who as a visa officer has been processing your application, how he or she was looking at your case, and what exactly went wrong if it was refused, right? So what was the reason for refusal? What exactly happened with your case? How the visa officer was looking at it? Which documents were not provided, or what has been provided but that was not sufficient, etc., etc. So please, again, do not use those boilerplates. If you really would like to understand what is going on with your situation, why your case has been processed longer than average, what exactly was not provided, and how visa officer determined that you're not allowed to enter Canada, get those GCMs notes. You could order them anywhere you would like to, or you could come to us. We would be absolutely glad to assist you with that. Usually it would take you just about like 30-40 days to obtain those notes, but what you get in return is the complex, comprehensive understanding how your case was processed. Stay tuned with us.